5 Best Handheld Vacuum for Stairs and Pet Hair Reviews.
Number 1. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Best Rechargeable Handheld Vacuum. Bissell is the industry leader for churning out cleaning equipment. Their pet hair eraser item sounds the best deal from our side, because it is insanely affordable with the perfect kit attachments which allow it to go anywhere and pick up the debris from the pet. Therefore, we choose it as the best deal for pet hair cleaning. Since your dog goes around many places under and over the carpet, curtains, and the deck, you need a cordless vacuum. Bissell, a handheld vac with its cordless experience, ensures the maximum cleanup. It is powered by a 14V lithium-ion battery which tends to run longer and safer. Number 2. Black Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum for Pets. Black Decker is a powerful vacuum that is popular for its immersive cleaning under the carpet and sofas. Moreover, it works great for stairs while picking up pet hairs. Many people find it pretty effective as it can gather and crumbs up debris using the flip-out brush. We love this vacuum for many features, but if you look for pet hair cleanup, then the anti-tangle rubber with long crevice tool would be the best reason to pick. This is why it ensures to clean up as much pet debris as possible from your home. Since the whole unit is pretty lightweight, so no worry about holding it and running over the stairs. Black Decker is an immersive vacuum for home cleaning under a good budget. It has so many features which you may consider. Among them, the lightweight design with the flip-out brush run by powerful suction is the key selling point. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is a lightweight version of a multi-purpose corded vacuum cleaner. When it comes to your first time, you will find it easy to put together and immersively clean pet hair and residue. The 16 feet cable will give you enough room to hover around places. We found the rubber nozzle is the best trait of this amazing vacuum, making it to pick up pet hair generously. By the way, it includes 2 types of nozzles, one is for attracting pet hair and another is for picking up large debris. The see-through dirt cup allows you to track those pet hair and debris, and so you can empty it when needed. The surface type is all including starting from carpet, hard floor, upholstery, auto, and stairs. Moreover, the 4 amperes suction power allows it to travel to those different surfaces, and thus it performs equally. Number 4. Shark WV201 WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum. Shark has designed their cord-free vac in such a way so it can pick up pet hair easily from carpet and stairs. Having the extended hose with powerful suction can pull almost any type of debris. It weighs only 1.4 pounds and thus allows you to travel anywhere. This little friendly device comes with the crevice tool and a wide dusting tool, making you clear up everyday mess. Moreover, the tapered nozzle allows you to pick up dust from large debris. Once you have Shark Vac, then reaching out to the zero tight spots would be so easy. Shark includes so many great features, but we found the best in the business is to have the brushless efficient motor.
Number 5. Vac Power Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Vac Power is another handheld, portable and cordless vacuum which comes to you without tangled cords or bulky shape. The best part of it is the 3 different modes of suction power using 3 attachments, ensuring you the perfect home cleaning. If you are looking for the pet hair cleanup, the brush nozzle will serve your issue. This special brush attachment has been made in such a way so it can attract hair to come in. Moreover, the crevice nozzle is great for picking up the pet residue or debris. The rubber jar nozzle is great for auto cleanup as it comes with the extended form with narrow nozzles to go tight places. Having a strong suction in a cordless vacuum is not common, right? Well, due to this reason, this feature pops up here. So what the heck is that? The 65W high-power motor runs in the little machine and 2500 mAh battery, making it pretty impressive, indeed.